Welcome to MCLAP, the K-12 program that shapes tomorrow's leaders, thinkers and doers. With MCLAP, we are dedicated to nurturing independent, well-equipped global citizens, fostering qualities of proactiveness, enterprise, ethics and empathy. Our array of specialized programs includes entrepreneurship, financial literacy, sustainability, and life skills.
Many kids like me have amazing ideas, but struggle to get started and lack opportunities. The MCLAP Entrepreneurship Program changed that for me. Entrepreneurship isn't just about starting businesses. It's about fostering innovation and a mindset geared towards creativity and problem solving. The mentorship, industry expert guidance, hands-on experiences and resources provided have truly nurtured our entrepreneurial spirits.
The financial literacy program isn't just about numbers, it's about making smart lifelong choices. From basics like banking to savvy investments, it taught us crucial skills like setting goals, managing needs versus wants, and effective budgeting. The program isn't just math, it's preparing us for the real financial world and making sure that we're ready to make informed decisions.
The Life Skills program isn't just about basic tasks, it helps us prepare for life beyond the classrooms. This program has helped many individuals become confident speakers, develop interpersonal abilities, and develop their practical skills. These success stories are proof of how this program helps students like me to make better financial decisions and make healthier choices in life. Life skills are as important and crucial as academics, if not more, because they help us to thrive in every aspect of our lives.
The sustainability program isn't just classroom learning. It's an immersive experience transforming perspectives. It covers environmental, social, economic, and ethical aspects, empowering us to tackle real-life challenges comprehensively. Seeing my peers and me actively creating change in our communities gives us hope. This program isn't just education. It's a catalyst for meaningful change.
Here, we focus on molding students for career readiness, leadership, and a comprehensive academic enrichment program. Through MCLAP, students develop a myriad of skills, honing communication skills, fostering confidence, mastering decision-making, goal-setting, conflict resolution, and adept problem-solving abilities. MCLAP empowers students to chart their own path by planning their college journeys and equipping them with the skills needed to secure jobs and excel in their careers.
Through the MCLAP program, my child has undergone a remarkable transformation, gaining in essential skills in innovation, problem solving, and a strong mindset. The program sparked enthusiasm for budgeting and savings, instilling responsibility. My child developed a passion for environmental consciousness, critical thinking, and leadership. Overall, the program equipped them with practical abilities, shaping their character and readiness for real-world challenges.
With MCLAP, we believe in shaping futures, empowering minds, and creating a community of empowered, globally minded individuals ready to make a positive impact. Join us on this transformative journey towards building the leaders of tomorrow. MCLAP, transforming students into proactive, enterprising, ethical, and empathetic global citizens.